Again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, and that is a 12 by 16 inch canvas that I have pre-primed with Sherwin-Williams Calypso color paint. And I'm not going to do anything complicated, I don't think. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so I'm going to use some Prizm pours and some primary elements, and I'm going to start with some Plum Blossom in my sky. Actually, I'm going to put this Plum Blossom in my sky and my sand area. I'm going to try and do it the same on both. And I don't know any other way to do this than to just start. I have a mixture of, where is it? Rapsody Rose, Abalone, Chantilly Lace, and Chancdony, or I can't pronounce that word. Whatever it is, I don't know. Anyway, it's a mixture. It's been a long time since I tried to do anything in a mirror way. I think I have some frosted berry. A nice quantity of it too. Let's just go for that. I don't know what that is or where it came from, but it doesn't need to stay, so I took it out. Alright, here goes nothing. So I've got color on the edge of my spatula, and I like what I just did in the sky, so I'm going to use it very judiciously and not go back over that again, and even wipe it off. There we go. So that's my start. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. Now I want something for the line of demarcation for the ocean. And I want to have a somewhat straight line across, which I probably should have put a chalk line in for. I'm going to want something else at my horizon line too. So I've got some sea glass. And I'm probably going to put some more pink in the ocean. And if it starts to dry, I may actually put some gold. I said that was sea glass, and I believe that that is a primary element. This is sparkling aqua, and I believe this is a Prizm pour. And I want a darker color at the horizon line. So I'm thinking I'm going to bring in some Royal Sapphire. Drop my cap, don't want to step on that. Yep, that's perfect. That's definitely what I wanted there. I have all kinds of greens, and Mystique is a primary element, and it's a turquoisey green, or turquoise than green actually. Oh, I just dropped something in there that needs to go out. And I have tweezers on my Amazon link, and I recommend you grab some. Matter of fact, I recommend you grab two like I do. I'm going to wipe off my spatula on the edge of my silicone mat, and then put the colors right in the ocean. I think I want to put a little bit of Chantilly lace along the edge. I could leave that right like it is and I'd be okay with it. That could happen. That cannot happen though. Alright, so I'd usually think about using a spatula, but I think I'm going to use a little tiny spatula this time. I think I'm going to actually let that flow over somewhat too. Nudge it down to the edge. Nudge it up to the edge. Now here goes nothing. Steady. And knock off my excess. I can always add some pink from the sky tomorrow too. I want a much smaller spatula, and I have a couple of varieties. I have a number 2, I believe it is. And I probably could have left a little bit of the sky color right in the ocean, which means if I decide to drag it across and expose some of that color, it's not a big deal. And any of the white, the Chantilly lace, will also add to the texture of the water. So I'm just dipping in and dragging across. Super simple. Take your time. Not going to be trying to make any cells. I have to decide what goes at the horizon line. And that could be something pink or orange or yellow. Let's think about something that's, oh, too bad. It's closed. Give me a moment. Oh, and it's totally blocked up. There's a big clot right in its neck. Come here. Oh, I got it. Yay. Yeah, check that out. That's big. That wasn't going to help. So, usually yellow and blue would make green, but I'm thinking I can get away with doing some strange things. Gonna run my, I have a pale orange, I'm gonna run my spatula through that. I have to check my time soon. I think I'm going to put a little bit of, that was the sour lemon with a little bit of orange crush in it. And I seem to have, there's the orange crush. This is the saffron. This is the orange crush. I kind of want to put some white at the horizon. I'm not sure why though. I like the fact that if I didn't want to put the spatula in, it would still be pretty cool. I kind of want to put a little bit of gold in. But it looks like the beach is the reflection of the sky, so I really don't need it. I'll contemplate on that later. I am going to put a little bit of Chantilly lace in. White clouds along the horizon sort of thing. I wonder if blowing into that would be as good as... No, I'm going to spatula. Obviously, I don't want to break it up too much because it will create a green, it looks like, if I diffuse it too much. But I am recording to the person who's standing in my door feeding me bacon. I can't really talk right now. I'll take that when it's almost dinner time. That was really nice of you, honey. Thank you. Yeah. Feed me bacon while I'm making a video. Clever fella. Come on out. This is, I believe this is a little... I'll tell you in a second, actually. This is some cherry sorbet. Some more better come out. And I'm going to use that Chantilly lace again because the clouds in Florida have a lot of pink in them. And I don't think I can really mess this up too much. I hope I'm right. I don't know what the yellow in the clouds. I'm going to be a little careful. I think I'm just about done. If I want to put a sun in, I should do that. I should probably do it tomorrow. And honestly, if there was something I needed tomorrow, a little more pink or something, I could do that too. So super simple. Where's my straw? I decided I like the clouds. This time I'm going to use the Plum Blossom, which is, I believe, I'm not positive, from, I think it's a Primary Element. That is turquoise. That doesn't want to go in your cloud, Priscilla. There we go. I'm going to call it good. Whoop, almost took a bottle over the edge. I didn't put any gold in the sand, and I still could put a little tiny smear of gold in the sand. I have one more spatula left. One more number 2. I've got a couple of bubbles. I'm hoping I set my timer. It's time to shimmer this at you. I think it's simple, but it's also pretty slick. I thought I saw a little black dot. We'll hit it really quick with the torch. bubbles. I might want to check for bubbles actually. I thought I saw a couple. But I'm going to turn this light out so I can try and shimmer that at you and hope you're still here. I haven't checked the timer. Go eat my piece of bacon. Oh, I got 3 minutes. I do sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, too. Hopefully those are all right. Do I see that little black spot again? Time for a better pair of tweezers. It's a rock on the beach. Best to get it now while everything's still nice and wet. I like how the reflection from the sky to the sand worked out, though. That's pretty slick. Looks pretty good. I like it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that underneath the link tree, you'll find the 15% off coupon code for Colour Arte products for Primary Elements and Prizm pourers and tools and resin and all kinds of blingets. And I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so you'll be helping me a little bit if you go shopping there. And the link that you'll find will take you directly to Colour Arte. I love you guys. I give lessons. I told you about the lessons. Never mind. Anyway, on the link tree, and I've covered up my crib notes. On the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art, Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, and I see I've got a couple of drips over here that I need to change. And hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I did, and I really did enjoy that. I need a little bit of that pink right down at the bottom. Just to match. It's not perfect, but it's similar enough to help. All right, my Amazon link has my 2 books on it. Because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. My community board is on my channel and it will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time most days. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. On my link tree you will find Society 6 and Legalist. Under the video you will find spring clothing, and if you can't find what you're looking for and you want one of my designs placed in one of those places with all those wonderful products that make great Christmas presents, just ask me. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. Thank you for your thumbs up again, and thank you for watching longer and sharing my videos. You help me out. Thank you very much for the PayPal for the PayPal donations. They really have helped keep me here at YouTube and creating YouTube tutorials for you guys. So thank you to everybody who makes a donation through PayPal. If you'd like to join my channel, you'll have access to a members library of between 60 and 70 videos and going up all the time. It's $9.99 a month, and it's so appreciated. There must be 7 members. I'm shooting for 10 by the new year. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other and take care of yourselves. And I will say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, saying, I'll see you anon. If that's a bubble, it's got to go. Bye for now. Priscilla out.